Let's unlock some hidden gems on Amazon that'll make your space smarter, smoother, and way more fun. You can find the link in the description box below. Magnetic window cleaner. This magnetic window cleaner flips the script. It's a two-piece cleaner. One side goes on the inside of the glass, the other on the outside. They stay magnetically connected, so when you move one, the other follows. Genius, right? Strong rare earth magnets make this tool super effective for double-glazed windows. It scrubs, wipes, and even squeegees in one pass. Plus, there's a safety string in case the outer piece detaches. Ideal for apartments, townhomes, or anywhere with unreachable windows. This gadget will leave your glass streak-free and your stress levels low. This Mop and Bucket Set has a built-in wringer system that makes hands-free cleaning easy and efficient. Just insert the flat mop into the rinse compartment, then into the dry slot to spin it nearly dry. No more touching dirty water or twisting mop heads with your hands. The mop head rotates 360 degrees and gets right up against baseboards and under furniture. Microfiber pads are washable and trap dirt like a magnet. The bucket itself is compact and designed with separate clean and dirty water chambers. It's a smart cleaning setup for people who like convenience and cleanliness rolled into one. Pressure washer surface cleaner. If you've got a pressure washer, this attachment will level it up big time. The pressure washer surface cleaner connects right to your washer and makes cleaning large flat surfaces like patios, driveways, and sidewalks 10 times faster and way more even. It uses spinning jets to lift dirt, algae, and stains in seconds. Its circular design keeps the spray contained, so no more getting soaked while you clean. Blind Duster Brush. This blind duster brush is cleverly designed with 3-pronged microfiber arms that slip between slats and trap dust on both sides simultaneously. It's like giving your blinds a hug with a cleaning twist. One swipe cleans the front and back, which cuts your effort in half. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the microfiber sleeves are removable and washable. Pet hair remover. This is the secret weapon you've been missing. This pet hair remover tool isn't your typical lint roller. It's reusable, doesn't require sticky tapes or refills, and works better than most vacuums on upholstery. Just roll it back and forth on your furniture, rugs, or even car seats and watch the fur pile up in its hidden compartment. The handle is sturdy, and the roller itself is built to last even with daily use. Sweep Turbo. This is not your average broom. Sweep Turbo is a cordless electric sweeper that glides over hardwood floors, tiles, and even low-pile carpets to collect crumbs, dust, and pet hair with ease. It's compact and lightweight, making it ideal for quick daily touch-ups when you don't want to lug out the big vacuum. Its rotating brush head and edge cleaning design let you reach baseboards, tight corners, and under furniture effortlessly. This compact fridge air purifier uses activated carbon and natural ionization to neutralize odors, extend the life of your produce, and keep everything smelling fresh. No more baking soda boxes that barely work. It's battery-powered and compact, so it takes up minimal space while working around the clock. Plus, it requires very little maintenance and can last for months before needing a recharge. If your fridge has ever smelled like last week's leftovers, this gadget is the odor-fighting upgrade you didn't know existed. Tired of scrubbing bathroom tiles or shower walls by hand? The electric spin scrubber takes the strain out of deep cleaning. With a powerful motor and interchangeable brush heads, it blasts through grime on tubs, floors, sinks, and even grout lines with minimal effort from you. The extendable handle means no more bending or kneeling, and the cordless design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spots. You can find the link in the description box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content.